So we have the view, very, very basic view. And so we need to tell URLs that it can look for this view, and this view will return a rendered base HTML file, okay, using request somewhere at the back. So there is no URLs file here. So what I usually do, I always keep one URLs file per app, and then I just put that in the main URLs file. So I'm just going to copy and paste it here because I'm lazy and I don't want to rewrite stuff. Okay, yeah, we can add it now. So now we don't only have URLs file in the main folder, we also have it in our new app called website. Okie doke. So now we can delete this because we don't need really the doc string. Let's check what's in here. We don't need this because we are going to replace, we're in website URLs. So we're going to replace this one. We don't want this. We're going to say if a user goes into a website like this, so there's nothing at the back, we want to do something like this. Well, let's import from this folder, from the same folder. So we just go dot import views. Okay, so from this folder, import views. So we are using whatever is inside of this folder. And in here, we can just say, if user puts nothing, I want to go to views.index. This is what I want to be used for. I think it shouldn't be called, it should be just a function. So as you could see, PyCharm wanted me to put those brackets there, but that would just call that function. We don't want to call it, we want to just give it as an object, and then Django will do its magic with it. At the back, we can just say like name, we can give it a name, and let's call it website index. Okay, so now the last bit is we need to tell the main URLs, and I'm going to delete that because I don't, it's just annoying. Okay, so we have admin, we stick to admin, and we want to add new line. So I'm going to just duplicate this one, and also nothing, because it's a cascading system here. So if I put something like website here and then slash, and in here I'm going to just say include, and we want to import include from Django URLs, and this smart thing is going to just include all the URLs from the website app from this file. So I just gonna write include, include, and all I have to say is put a string that says go to website dot URLs file, and you could see it was helping me with the autocomplete. So website URLs, and it's gonna know where to look for the URLs for this app. I called it website because I just want to show you how it works. So now if I clicked it here, it kind of, okay, I didn't see in my URLs, I don't see like, you know, just slash in here. I found admin here and I found website. So debugger, if in settings, your debug is set to true, you'll see those debugging messages. And this message says, I found those URLs. This doesn't match any of them. So sorry, not found. So I'm going to go to website now. And boom, we have something. I know you didn't expect this. You expected this nice Bootstrap template that I downloaded. But it's something. And I know why it's not working correctly, and I tell you why it's not working in a second. But you can see it's working. It took me somewhere. It took me to something that does look like that website, but not exactly. It has some text from there, but that's it. There's no styling. Styling seems to be missing, and it works because I did a couple of things. I put this in the views, then I used that view in the URLs file, and then I imported those URLs into the main URLs, and that's it. And obviously I had to download and copy the HTML file, but then it's being used in here, and great. So let me just change this to nothing, as I told you, this website app is just kind of controlling, you know, the outside. If it's no app, it's a website app. So in the future, we'll have like an app name in here, but the website can be just like nothing. and it works. And if I try to go to website, it says, no, sorry, I found admin and I found nothing, which, and we have a name for it. It's website index. So only if you use one of those, I'm going to give you something useful. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop here. We are getting somewhere. In just a second, we're going to have a nice working Bootstrap template on our Django application. And so it's going to be very satisfying to see something that nice that belongs to a project. So thanks for watching, and we're going to continue in the next video. Bye-bye.